A little disc brake swap update, a one-man garage. I took back the aluminum master cylinder because it did not have the recess to contain this rod that won't pull out. It's part of the master. This old master, see, I marked this. This has a depth of this that I need. So I got this Corvette style slash late 60s GM style that you'll see these, on like OEM car disc brakes too. It's a Dorman 89 160 from Amazon, paid $30 something. And here we go. Look that, the line. It's exactly the depth to fit the booster. And it's the cool looking style. So how about that?